aerosol. It's a great product to clean fabrics, to clean carpets. It makes a great foam when you apply the product. So the key is to shake the product, then you spray on the surface directly, and then you brush. It's very pleasantly scented, and this product gently enters into the pores of the fabric and leaves a great clean finish. So you can use it to clean organic dirt, like animals residues, like food residues, from sofa, for example, of your house, from fabrics of your car, from plastics, and from carpets as well. It's very useful product, and the foam really sticks. This is a great solution and a great product, for example, for sealing of the car, because this kind of foam really sticks on the surface, and it's easy then to be cleaned off by brushing.
Right for the German cars, right? For the German cars.
Yeah,